And the ride-hailing service Ola Cab Services has now decided to help out all those COVID patients who are under home isolation and in dire need of oxygen supply, and will be providing them with oxygen concentrators free of cost at their particular doorsteps. Anyone who might have an oxygen level of below 94 on the SpO2 levels. Here's a report.
Amid the growing demand for oxygen supply in Bengaluru, Ola has joined the efforts to plug the oxygen supply. The taxi aggregator has announced that it will start free delivery and pickup of oxygen concentrators through Ola app. Oxygen concentrators will be provided to patients at their doorstep.
The COVID-19 disease is oxygen. Most of the infected people need oxygen. So if it has to be catered to the people who are in home isolation, to make them, to ensure that the oxygen requirement of the people who are in home isolation to be addressed effectively, this strategy is very effective to ensure people in home isolation, they get the oxygen. The people with the saturation below 94 and above 90, these people need to be provided oxygen in their respective houses to manage it effectively and ensure whoever needs oxygen saturation or the oxygen supplementation through the oxygen concentrators to reach out to them. The Ola app has become very needful.
The company will procure oxygen concentrators from government. Ola, along with Zerodha and Give India Foundation in Bengaluru, are providing the service free of cost.
We are joined with Gaurav Puriwal, CEO of Ola, to talk about the mechanism, how it works, how it functions, sir, how the order has been placed, how it has been delivered. Can you just tell us?
Sure. So, wherever we are serviceable, the option will appear on Ola app. Right, and people will be able to provide some basic details, their test report status, their saturation, and pay the security deposit. And on the app itself, we will send them the confirmation that we'll be able to provide the concentrator in this much time. They will also be reached out, by our call centers to understand the exact need and nature of the disease and the person. And once all that is done, the concentrator would be installed, at the patient's home, and then we'll keep checking. When the patient is feeling better and does not need the concentrator, we'll just collect it back.